Maintaining your pool is essential for healthy family fun, but did you know that pool discharge water can damage our local water bodies? Pool water contains harsh chemicals that may be fine for a casual swim, but are toxic to our vegetation and aquatic life surrounding our lakes. We owe it to our environment to maintain our pools responsibly. Step 1. Start by ensuring discharge water is chlorine and contaminant-free. Use your pool test kit to check chlorine and pH levels of your pool's water. Chlorine should be 0.01 milligrams per liter or less, and the pH must be between 6.5 and 8.0 to be safe to discharge. Check to ensure the water is clear and free of debris and algae. Step 2. Keep your discharge water on your property. Keep discharge water out of neighbors' yards, water bodies, streets, or storm drains. Pumping water at a low rate into a grassy area on your lawn will prevent erosion. A recommended discharge rate of 25 gallons per minute or less will allow your lawn to absorb the water effectively. Planning your discharge on a sunny day will allow evaporation to help disperse the water as well. Step 3. Manage your pool filter properly. Rinse your filter over a vegetated area. If your filter uses DE powder, collect any excess for disposal in the trash. Diatomaceous earth powder must never reach waterways. What if you have a saltwater pool? I'm glad you asked. A pump truck may be needed to dispose of large volumes of salt water, as high concentrations of salt can kill vegetation. Salt water should never be directed to the street or into ditches, stormwater ponds, lakes, or sewers. If large amounts of salt water can kill your lawn, think about the damage it can do to our lakes. However, small amounts of salt water can be diluted and drained onto a lawn without harming plants. All areas of Orange County lie within one of 12 watersheds or drainage basins. This is where all rain and surface water ends up. Discharge water from swimming pools and spas can reduce water quality and cause harm to aquatic life in our rivers, lakes, and streams. It doesn't take much to practice sustainable pool maintenance, and it keeps our water bodies healthy. For more information on how you can do your part, be sure to visit ocfl.net/bepoolutionfree.